With more than 2 billion worldwide users on social media, your customers are already there. That makes social media a crucial part of your business marketing strategy. And according to Statistical, the number of worldwide users on social media is projected to hit 3.02 billion active users per month by 2021. That's over 1/3 of the world's entire population. So it's obvious that social media is engaging the majority of the world's population. That means if you own a business and you're not focused on building a strong brand presence on social media this year, your customers will soon be choosing your competitors if they've not already. Hello everyone, I'm Bernard Igwe, and today I'm going to show you 10 ways to use social media to grow your business. Before we get started, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the alert notification button so you get notified when more videos like this come out. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Drive traffic to your website. Generally, small businesses use social media with the goal to drive traffic to their website. This theory was supported by Social Media Examiner's 2017 Social Media Marketing Industry Report, with 78% of small businesses saying they use social media to increase their website traffic. If you don't have a strong presence on social media, you're losing out on organically generated traffic. You need to expand your brand reach if you want to drive more traffic to your website. But where do you begin? First, create a profile for your business on each relevant social media platform. Then leverage this platform by sharing customized content to each of them. An effective social media presence will encourage your followers to go through your lead funnel and eventually reach your product or service purchasing page. Second, make sure you make it easy and effortless for audience to share your content with social sharing buttons prominently displayed on your website. Additionally, you can add a click to tweet feature on an interesting statistic, code, or other information on your website to make it more shareable. Now it's just a click away for readers to share your content. Number 2, generate more leads. According to the same Social Media Examiner report I mentioned above, more than 65% of small businesses use social media to generate more leads. But the biggest advantage of using social media isn't just the leads, it's the ability to generate highly qualified leads through advanced targeting. One way to do this is by promoting gated content on social media. For clarity, gated contents are like blog posts or articles on your website that you lock and require visitors to provide their email address before they can view them. To use gated content, you need content that's compatible with the interests of your followers, content that are very clear and easily understandable, thereby setting the expectation for your followers. You can do this by designing graphics that are on brand and visually appealing, and also including a call to action that creates a sense of urgency. Number 3, improve your search engine ranking. There's a lot of debate around this topic, but the bottom line is this: social media can and will improve your search engine ranking. How? The domain authority of your website increases when your social media share rate increases. This leads to an improved social media ranking for your pages. But it's more than just that. Many customers visit your social media profiles before heading to your website to get a better understanding of your business before they make a purchase. More visits to your social media profiles will boost your social media page ranking and improve their chances of appearing among the top ranked pages. Number 4, monitor your competitors. This may sound strange, but social media is a great way to keep an eye on your competitors. It gives you the opportunity to monitor and draw inspiration from their performance. You can see what type of content they are posting and how they are interacting with their followers. Social media can also help you learn from your competitors. There has to be a good reason why your competitors are performing better than you. Learn these strategies, but make sure you don't just copy and follow them. What works best for them isn't always best for you. Instead, modify their ideas and make them your own. Number 5, build trust with your customers. Social media is so much more than just a platform for promoting and selling your products and services. It gives you the opportunity to build trust with your customers and develop loyal customers. Nearly 79% of marketers agree that social media is an effective way to develop loyal followers. Now that we know social media can be used for developing a loyal fan base, let's see how it can be done. First, all content you post on your social media profiles should be authentic, unique, relatable, and engaging for your audience. One way to make sure that your content has these qualities is to collaborate with influencers to promote your products and services. Influencers share their personal experiences regarding your products, and this is one of the biggest advantages of collaborating with them. Their stories are real, engaging, and authentic. It's easy for customers to relate to their stories and believe them. Number 6, create brand recognition. For any small business, raising awareness is a top goal. This is typically the case because we know that people prefer to purchase from brands they recognize, and that's where social media comes in. When compared to traditional media, social media can put your brand in front of your targeted audience faster and easier. Make sure to invest your time into creating and posting relevant content, cover images, and profile photos on social platforms. Place your logo strategically so that it leaves a long-lasting impact in the mind of prospects. Also, don't forget to focus on the visual elements of your brand. For instance, when you look at the Twitter profile page of Nike, you'll notice it's clean and crisp. The images are simple. They've added their logo as their profile picture, and their cover image is their famous tagline. Number 7, establish your brand as a topical authority. Social media platforms can help you establish your business as a topical authority, meaning in your niche, your brand becomes a trusted source of information. But how can social media help you establish topical authority? Well, you need to frequently post content relevant to your niche. The search engines will then start to recognize your authority in that niche. This helps your brand become the go-to authority for any topic regarding your niche. And if your page has a high authority, it will also generate high quality traffic to your website. Number 8, maximize conversions. For any small business, the generation of high quality traffic isn't the only goal. In order to succeed, you have to convert that traffic into paying customers. But how can you drive a high conversion rate on social media? Here are two of the most effective methods. The first method is to add a strong call to action. A strong call to action is important as it directs and motivates potential customers on what to do next, which can help potential customers feel motivated to make a purchase. Similarly, you can design an appealing call to action and post it on your social media profiles. This will encourage your followers to take the required action, which could be purchasing your products and services. The second method is to organize contests, giveaways, or offer discounts. Number 9, engage your audience. Use plenty of videos on social media to keep your audience engaged and growing. When you open your favorite social media platform, you will notice your feed or timeline is filled with video content instead of text and images. In fact, algorithms have changed, evolving to prefer video content over other content formats, and that's something the leading brands have noticed. According to Vidyard statistics, 86% of businesses already use video on their website and 77% use video on social media. There are dozens of ways you can use videos to keep your audience engaged and growing. You can consider sharing an authentic behind-the-scene look at your life, document your company's next product launch, show your followers what it's like to work for your company, and much more. The bottom line is, if you're not using videos on social media, your customers are becoming unengaged very fast. And last but not least, provide value before sale. Use social media to provide massive amount of value before asking for anything in return. Never forget that customers hate being sold to, but they love to buy. One sure way to have your customers line up to buy from you is to provide a massive amount of free valuable content to them to build trust before asking them to buy from you. This concept is even more critical today when customers are being bombarded with ads on their social media feeds. If you want to build engaged brand followers on social media who love you and love buying from you, then provide content that solves their problems and show that you care about them before asking for a sale. You will quickly build a pool of loyal fans who buys from you over and over again. In conclusion, I believe you now have a better understanding of how social media can help your business grow. Just remember that not all the 10 strategies I've mentioned will work for your business, so make sure you test each one, learn from your findings, and continue to make improvements. Alright, do you need help growing your business? Do you need help getting more customers and increasing your sales? If yes, then check out my digital agency, Shelfview Technologies, at shelfviewtech.com. We provide web design and digital marketing services that can help you attain the level of growth you need to maximize profit and meet your goals. Do contact us if you're ready to grow your business. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and comment below. Thank you for watching.